everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another week of what we are buying in our grocery stores. Today I had a delivery from Safeway and I spent $60.74. So the sodas were buy two get two free, so I paid around $16.98 for all four. I got some Minute Maid, and then I really like this Pepsi with real sugar. Sorry if you guys hear noise, my husband's working on the porch. I really like this, so I grabbed two of them. I feel like it tastes a little bit better than just the regular Pepsi. And then my husband really likes the cherry Coca-Cola, so I grabbed him one of those, two of the Pepsis, and then one of the Minute Maid. All right. I don't know how or why, but I believe these were totally free. They should have been around $12. This was a substitution, and when I looked on my receipt, it says 00. So they were either 11 something or free. So we got those, and those are going to be gone today. I'm going to make those in the air fryer for the kiddos. And then these were just under $5, and these are just to have in the freezer for a quick snack for them. And then I saw these, and I thought these looked pretty cool. They were $3 each, so $6 for 4 of them. And then their lean 93% lean beef was $267 a pound, I believe, and these were 3.5 pounds. I paid just under $10 for each of these trays, so that's going to make a lot of good meals. And then their chips, my kids already got into the Doritos. They were $1.97, so were the Tostitos, $1.97, and then the cheeses were $1.77, a limit of 2. They also had a 10 off of 50, and lots of great coupons that just came out at the end. So very good deal. I mean, just the meat alone was around $20, and then around $17 the soda. So that was what took up most of the budget. But this is what I got so far at Safeway. And then I have a Kroger haul coming and a Walmart haul coming. So when those come, you know, I'm going to share it with you guys. So see you in just a second. So my Kroger Fred Meyer haul just came. And let me show you guys, I got all of this food for $27.16, which is an amazing deal. I feel like I got a lot. So first of all, this should have been $7.49, and it was absolutely free for best customer digital coupon. So I got 4 big paper towels for free. Amazing deal. And then these street tacos were $2.29. Kind of on the spendy side. I could have gotten them probably cheaper at Walmart, but I ordered them. And then this delicious bread is on coupon for $2.49 this week. So I grabbed 2, and I'm actually going to put them in the freezer. The milk and orange juice, half a gallon, were $1.29 each. I just grabbed one of the milks because we still have milk, and one of the orange juices. Red Barn Classic Crust Pizza were $3.99 each, so I grabbed 2. Not the best price, but it's good. And then this shaving cream was $1.49 with digital coupon. Dozen of eggs were $1.59, and then this chewy granola bar was for free. Another best customer coupon thing. This ground beef, I had $1.10 off, so it was $3.10. No, $3.39 for 1 pound. Not the best deal, but I grabbed it anyway. The north sides, they're $1.39, and it was buy 3 get 1 free. And then these beautiful grapes were 88 cents a pound. So I grabbed these, and I actually want to try to can those. So we'll see how that goes. I might do that, and if I do, I'll bring you guys along. So this is what I got for $27. I feel, well, obviously that and that was free, but I feel like I got quite a bit. Pretty happy about my haul here. I am going to get my Walmart stuff up because it just got delivered and show you guys what I got. So these are all the like purplish grapes. I washed them, and I have them soaking with some cold water and some apple cider vinegar. These are not organic. I just want to make sure I get all of that stuff off, all the crap. And I have my canning supplies. I have the red grapes and then the green grapes in the same situation. I'll rinse them off really good. And I'm gonna water bath candies. I've never done it before. I'm still new at canning, but I saw a video. It looks pretty easy. And I love the grapes in, like, if I get a fruit cocktail. So if I get a fruit cocktail, we open up the cans. I love the grapes in it. So I figure, why not just can a bunch of grapes at 88 cents a pound? I got these for super inexpensive, and we can have them on our shelves. And I believe I'm making a simple syrup. I believe it turns into almost like a grape juice. So we could drink the grape juice and eat the grapes. So double whammy. So very, very happy with that. I just wanted to share that with you guys, and then I'll show you guys when it's all. So I got 3 jars, 3 jelly jars, and then all the canned grapes. They look absolutely delicious and beautiful. All right, so a lot less things and a little bit more money on this haul. This was 35 and I believe 12 cents. So first I got a bunch of eggs and 60 eggs, and these were just under $8, like $7.80 something, I believe. And then the north sides, I got 3 more. These are $1.26 at Walmart, and then I believe Ibotta was giving me back $1 off of 3. So that's a great deal. This was just under $5, but this is the mouthwash my kids like to use. This is actually a fluoride mouthwash, which, yeah, it's okay. So they like it because you squeeze it and then they can see the liquid come up, and it's just fun for them. I got this for the kiddos. One of my kiddos is on antibiotics for an ingrown toenail. That just will not leave him. He's been on antibiotics. He's even had a little cleanup procedure done on the nail, and it still came back. So these were just under $5, and I think there was like a 2 something I bought a rebate. So there's that. And these little cucumbers were $1.97. And then I got a bunch of carrots, 5 pounds of carrots for around $3.80. And then these cookies were just under $6, 5 something. And these are not for us. My son is going to a work meeting or party, dinner party. And so he's going to take these. And then I also bought this tray, which was around $2.52. This plastic tray, he made these gluten-free cookies that he's going to take because some of the people over there are gluten-free. They are going to enjoy that. So this is for the party. This is for us. And I think, honestly, this is going to do it for groceries this week. I got the deals. We have everything. I hope you guys enjoyed what we got for groceries this week. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. And I will see you guys next week. If I do another grocery haul, I'll pop it in at the end of this video, but I don't think I'm going to. We're going to end the video right here, and we will see you later. Bye-bye. With it, drop.